Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome back to our course of interactive machine translation for Arabic. We have completed part 1 and we are now starting part 2. In part 2 we will be working with Yawat and we will learn a lot of skills. For example, we will learn how to upload the studies into Yawat server and learn how to check the alignment files and learn how to make alignment tables and learn how to make segment alignment. In this lecture I will be talking about a couple of things. Number 1, how to prepare the files for upload to Yawat server. What is the naming convention? Then how to log to Yawat server, and then uploading your study files to Yawat server using the translation process research database management tool. Then downloading the alignment files and checking the consistency of segment alignment. So we will be working with those XML files we have been generating from the previous 6 tasks. And as usual, we will have to go to Dropbox, click on Arabic IMT and click on project data, locate your file. My file number is 16 and these are the files which we are interested in. So I will make multiple selection. These are 6 files and I will click on download, and it downloaded Arabic p16.zip. This is my study number. If your Dropbox icon is active, it will be opened in your local machine. So you will have to zip the files manually. I will show you in a moment. So this is the zipped file. I'll paste it here. The alternative way of making this zip file is to go to your Dropbox folder. This is Dropbox, Arabic IMT, project data, and locate your folder, and these are the 6 files in which we are interested. Right click on them and add to archive zip file. Okay, you see it is the same. And now after we finished preparing our files, we have to log on to Yawat server. As I told you in the previous lectures, we have to work on Firefox because Yawat server works only on Firefox. So copy this link and start your Firefox. Paste and go. You will find this notice. It says your connection is not secure. So don't be scared. Click on advanced and click on add exception. This pop-up window will appear. This one will be checked by default. Keep it checked and confirm security exception. And this is the Yawat alignment tool login interface. As you can see here, remember to run Yawat from Mozilla Firefox browser. Here you have to type the username and here the password. The username and password are included in the email. The username and passwords will be provided only for the participants who have completed part 1 of this course. If you haven't finished part 1, please finish it, and when you finish part 1, contact me so that I can send you the username and password. After typing the username and password, click login. If you find this page, then your login is successful. The next thing is to upload your study files to Yawat server. Please copy this link into your web browser. And you can see here there is a browse button, and here there is no file selected, and here is the study name, and here is the upload button. So locate your zipped folder. I saved my file in desktop. Click open, and you see the name of your study is displayed here. And there is a convention. Please prefix the study name with "M" and your serial number. My serial number is 16. For example, if your serial number is 9, then do that 09, or 38, then it will be 38, or for example 17, then it will be 17, and so on and so on. Then click on upload. And now we will see how to download the alignment files. After uploading your study, it will be shown here. To download the alignment, click on download alignment. And select save file. OK. Locate it in the downloads folder. Cut for the sake of ease of work. Paste it in desktop, for example, or anywhere you want in your machine. Right click and select extract to MM16 alignment, and we got this folder. Click on this folder. You see there are a lot of files. There are some files ending with a tag, and some files ending with src means source, and some files ending with tgt means target, and so on and so on. And since we have 6 files, we worked on 6 projects, we have 18 files. For each project we worked, there are 3 files generated. And now to check the consistency of the alignment, we have to focus only on files ending with a tag. You see this is Arabic P16 C1R1. The name of your files may look different than my files. That is because your study number is different than mine, and this also may look different than what you have. So please don't be confused if you find these are different. Right click on this, edit with Notepad++. This is the sentence alignment, and this alignment is done in Casmacat 2. This is a software for translation process. So in this file, the software has aligned 2 files. This file, which is a source file, and this file, which is target file. And this is sentence alignment. Source 1 is aligned with target 1. That is good. Source 2 is aligned with target 2. Source 3 is aligned with target 3. Source 4 is aligned with target 4, and source 5 is aligned with target 5. That's good. Check another one. Again, these are the same. The alignment is consistent. Let's check this. For post editing also, we have 7 sentences and they are aligned properly. And for the next task of post editing, we have 4 sentences and they are also correctly aligned. For the translation also, we can check. We have 6 sentences in English, and they have been aligned correctly with their Arabic translation. And the last one is translation 2, the second project of translation. And we had 5 English sentences, and they are correctly aligned with the Arabic translation. If you find some mismatch, please contact me so that I can help you with this. If all your sentences are aligned properly, then you are ready to go for the next segment, which is making the alignment in Yawat. Thank you and see you then.